So why can you not click on the sign in button on a Netflix on the iPad? Let's talk about it and let's potentially fix it, right? So there are more things which might be going on. First of all, it might be because of the internet connection. So make sure you are connected to the regular network through Wi-Fi or even through cellular. But keep in mind that it is most likely caused by a faulty application, right? So what you need to do in that case is to check out the App Store where you have the ability to go to the search field like that, go to Netflix, like literally type it in, and pay attention to the update button, which is possibly showing up next to the icon. This is going to indicate to you that the app already has a newer version available. So you should install the update and make sure that you get the latest fixed version. So whenever there is a problem like this, usually the developers release a new update and that new version should work much better. Keep in mind, however, that you should also pay attention to the software update of your general iPad, because it also is possible that even that might be outdated and therefore not being the latest or the greatest, right? So let me know in the comments below. This should most definitely help you fix that issue. So let me know what's really going on in your case. If you have some other questions or thoughts, leave them below. Thanks a lot and subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one.